This video will cover the settings available for Faster Time and show you how to configure them. We can access the settings related to Faster Time by going to Faster Suite, Settings, Time Tracking. Once we have the Time Tracking tab selected, the first tab across the top is Faster Time. On this tab, we can turn time tracking on or off, select an accuracy setting for Faster Time, choose how long to save activities for, and choose how long to be idle before starting an away timer. If you are running an older computer and have noticed performance issues while running Faster Time, you may try turning accuracy down by selecting every 10 or 30 seconds on this tab instead of every second. The next tab is Applications. This tab will allow you to select which applications Faster Time should watch. To enable or disable tracking for a specific application, just check or uncheck the box next to the application's name. If you would like to track an application that isn't listed here, check the box for Other Processes, then click the Settings wheel. In the window that appears, you can click the ellipsis button on the right to get a full list of all applications currently running on this computer. Simply find the application you would like to track in this list, then click the green plus button to start tracking it. Once you've made your selections, click Save. On this tab, we can also set defaults for different applications that are tracked by Faster Time. If we click the pencil icon next to an app, a new time entry window will appear. Any information we enter into this window will be saved as the default for activities of this type. We can save our own default description, set a default length of time, set a default activity or task code, or make any other selection on this window to set it as the default. The defaults here will be automatically entered into the time entry window that appears when saving activities using Faster Time. And if you would like to use specific information in your time entries, clicking the ellipsis button next to the application name will give you a list of variables that you can enter into the default time entry window. This will automatically populate the corresponding information, like the name of the document or the subject of the email, into the time entry that's created by Faster Time. On the Matter Association tab, we can choose what files Faster Time should attempt to automatically link to matters. Faster Time should be able to determine the related matter for files opened using Faster Files, Faster Drive, Clio Launcher, Network File Servers, and NetDocs. Keep in mind that Faster Time uses artificial intelligence to try to determine the related matter. So, if the folder path of the document you open doesn't contain any information that matches information on clients or matters in Clio, then Faster Time will most likely be unable to find a match. In cases such as that, we recommend renaming or reorganizing your folders to more closely resemble the information in Clio to avoid having documents incorrectly assigned to matters. The last tab is Work Report. Here, we can configure a time to be reminded to save our activities. We can also select whether or not the Faster Time Work Report should automatically open when the configured time comes. We can also set a minimum duration for activities tracked by Faster Time. If you don't plan on ever billing activities that are less than 10 seconds or 30 seconds, for example, you can automatically filter them out of your work report by making a selection here. The last setting is related to activity batches. When selecting an individual entry to save to Clio, Faster Time will import the exact time to Clio, and Clio will handle the time rounding. However, if we batch multiple entries together, it's possible to accidentally bill less time than we would have if the entries were separate. To avoid having this problem, you can set Faster Time to automatically round batched entries before saving to Clio. Once you're happy with your Faster Time settings, just click Save and Close.